that was a big jump. Welcome to MCC Just Motos. Yo guys, Andy from MCC Just Motos. I have Max, my 40 horsepower Himalayan. You see I got a Royal Enfield demo day truck. I'm at Gearhead Junction. I'm about to take Max, my Himalayan, for my first ride since I've had a little work done. I'll tell you more about it, but I'm gonna go for a quick little test spin. Let's go. Okay, all right, we have my Himalayan. Good, Max. First time riding in such a long time. I'm gonna take it easy. Let's go for a little spin. Woo! Feels good to be back on, I'll say that. Okay. What can I say? All right. Get my mirrors okay. Woo-wee. I can say with these boots, it's not the easiest to shift. I would have to adjust these boots. But they said this road is where Dirty Dancing takes place, all the way up here. Oh my gosh, this motor. Yes, it is so... I feel it. It feels good. It feels really staunch. It feels really staunch. Oh man. Wow. I think it feels great. Oh man. Oh man, this road feels fantastic. I don't know how much fuel I have, but okay. Woo! This motor feels good. Himalayan feels good. These tires feel good. Oh, I missed you, Max. There's no hesitation, no stumble. All right. I like it. Woo! I'm not really into the power at all, but I can tell you, you can cruise at 50 and it is nothing. Transition feels great, side to side. I haven't been on this in such a long time. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. What's up here? Anything? That looks like it could be fun. I might go up there. Let's see what's up there. Let's do it. I'm about to turn around here. Go up there. Oh, Max is good. Yeah, I'm smiling because I feel some power on it. Doesn't say don't go up there, so let's go up there. Deep sand, deep gravel, let's do it. Oh no. Yeah. I went neutral. That sucks. Oh, that's awesome. This bike is so awesome. What's up here? Ooh, that was a big jump. I really don't want to get into it too crazy. I want to turn around. Oh man, this bike is awesome. I'm gonna turn around right here. Awesome. All right. Don't want to ruin my bike. Woo-wee. Yeah. Man, she's sliding on her sand here. Yeah, super easy. Oh man, I could catch some big air on these. All right. That was pretty awesome. The Himalayan had no power issues. It was just climbing up like a mountain goat with so much power and so much pep. Oh my goodness. I was going too fast and I caught some air that I didn't want to catch because I'm not trying to break the bike. Yeah, this is good. This is very good. Without getting too crazy. I don't know what he was thinking. All right. Oh man, am I happy so far. And I can feel it start to get on cam around 4,000 and I'm just not getting it. I'm not gonna go higher than 4. It doesn't need it right now. That is awesome. Woo. And you can I like it. This cam is definitely better than the last one. I'm just saying right now. All right, I cannot wait to talk about this. I cannot wait to get the engine fully broken in. Keeping it under 4,000. Oh man, she will go, and I feel so nice on this. All right, so I can't wait to try the Scram next. Let's see if they. All right. This was pretty awesome, right? Of course. Yes. All right, first ride. So happy. Max is back. Gearhead Junction. Thank you. You'll get a full review on the fastest 40 horsepower Himalayan in existence. Maybe in the US. I don't know. I'm super happy. Wow. Whee. All right, let's pull up here. Oh my goodness gracious, hold on. This was so, dude. What? Dude, it was so nice. Better? Oh my gosh, better. Even the cam profile, I'll tell you about it later. I know you're busy. All right, cool. All right, cool. Whoo. Yeah. All right. Dude. I went on a cut. I was catching air, man. What is this? Uh-oh. Yeah, don't look at that. Who knows? Who knows? All right, guys, it's Andy. I'm leaving Gearhead Junction. Come check out Gearhead Junction. They're one of the best Royal Enfield dealers around in Virginia. So check them out. Thank you, Royal Enfield Demo Days, for letting me ride these bikes. And Gearhead Junction, my bike Max is back there, and awesome. All right, see you guys.